Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is very exciting because it's the first one back since my baby boy arrived. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you would have seen my post on my pregnancy. I actually did not say anything about it. I did not post about it. The last 9 months was just about me and growing this baby in the most healthiest way as I could, and I wanted to keep it private, and I'm so glad that I did. But now that I'm on the other side and the baby boy is here and he's healthy and he's lovely and we're on cloud 9, Jeff and I are just so excited and so happy to be parents now. It's just a whole new world and our lives are completely changed for the better. It's so worth it, lack of sleep, but honestly having him has just really fulfilled our lives. Today's video is going to be just like a really easy mom makeup look. I get it, you have no time, because I did not wear makeup for 2 weeks and I didn't really feel like me, even though I don't wear makeup every single day. 2 weeks without makeup was kind of like a detox, but also when I did put makeup on, I felt so much better, and I really liked how this one came out. Glowing, natural, skin is the focus, nothing has changed there. So if you guys want to see how it's done, just keep watching. Chiutips. If you guys are new to my channel, you know the drill. Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more, and also I do want to ask you guys if you want to see some mommy stuff, because having this baby and being pregnant, I would love to make some because I have so many tips. Really, I guess now I am Mama Chiu. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, other than that, let's get started to show you guys how I create this really easy mom makeup look. To start off this look, I'm going to use the Pixi Skin Treats Rose Ceramide Cream. This is super hydrating, that's why I love it, and it's not too thick where you feel like it's sticky. It's just the right amount for this look. Then I'll be using the Milk Makeup Highlighter. This is great to use on the high points of the face. I love this because when I'm feeling a little bit just not so glowy, that helps so much. And taking my beauty blender, I'm just going to blend this glow and highlight in, and honestly it just already starts to look better. Now taking one of my new favorite foundations, this is the Covergirl Clean Fresh Milk Foundation. I'm going to apply this all over the face. This is vegan, it is very nice on the skin. It's probably about a medium coverage, I would say, not totally full coverage, but I love the medium coverage. It does a great job and it looks super natural. Then I'll be going into concealer. This is one of my go-tos, the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer. I am using this around the eyes, especially because I have been not getting that much sleep lately with the little baby, but this stuff really helps cover up those dark circles, fine lines, and also the little areas where it's a little bit red around the nose. And then taking my beauty blender again, I'm just going to quickly dab this in, blend it out. And again, this is super easy, nothing too complicated. I don't have too many products in this makeup tutorial, so you guys don't have to worry if you're a mom watching this. It is just super easy. Funny side note, whenever I start to film or edit my videos, I hear him crying. It's like he knows that I am going to work and I am going to be doing something else, and he just instantly starts to cry. So any moment I am thinking that he's going to cry. But anyways, let's get back to the tutorial. I will be using the Maybelline New Cheek Heat. This looks really red, I know, but let me tell you, when I apply it with the brush, it blends into this beautiful, natural looking blush. And a lot of you guys know I love a cream blush just because it makes my skin look more natural. It looks like my actual skin. It doesn't look like I'm caking it on. And then to top that off, I'll be using the Huda Beauty Contour. This is a beautiful, just light contour I use on the cheekbones, on the forehead, on the sides of the face, just to give my face a bit more definition, and it gives you a little bit more of a bronzy colored glow too, and that's something I definitely need being a new mom, is that I don't put on makeup as much as I did before, so when I do, a little bit of color and bronze definitely helps. Now, many of you guys know I pick my lips, and one thing I've been using recently is this Amore Pacific lip serum. It doesn't have a lot of branding on it, but it is amazing. I have stopped picking my lips since using this. It's so good. To give my eyes a bit of definition, I'll be using the Nudestix eye crayon. This is like in a light brown color, which I love because it's so easy to put on and it gives my eyes some definition. Whereas if I were going to do like a black eyeliner, it would take a lot of time, and mama don't have time for that right now.
Then I'm going to curl my lashes quickly with my Chiu eyelash curler, and then apply one of my favorites, Covergirl's Exhibitionist mascara. This is waterproof, and if you're a mom and if you have meltdowns like I have had in the past couple of weeks, a waterproof mascara definitely helps. And not only that, it keeps your lashes curled. Big bonus. And then lastly, to finish off the lips, I'll be using this Bite lip crayon. Bite sent a couple of colors to me, and I love how this is super neutral. It almost looks like my real just natural lip color, but just added with a little bit of like pink to it. And here's the final look. I loved how this turned out, and I hope you did too. If you want to see more mama tips, tricks, and hacks, make sure you let me know in the comment section below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you all very soon in my next one. Bye for now.